Almost made it, then held on too tight, and down I went. G'day, 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 it's Gilly here, another Nameless Riders production. Who's keen for a ride? Today we've had a pretty interesting run, rather challenging, but also beautiful out here. And I'm now making my way back, but what do you think? Let's start from the start, eh?
Away, distancing myself from the heavy waves on the hills. I escape on the hills. I trace every star from where I was to where I wanna go.
Well, this is a very pretty place, isn't it? I hope I got a couple of drone shots out of that. Let me know if you're liking the drone shots. I think we're gonna do some more exploring. What do you reckon? Very nice day today. It's pretty much the middle of winter and yet I'm hot. It's been pretty cool, but today is the exemption. It's really, really good today. Let's make our way back to the bike, eh?
Brush its distraction over me in a cool, calm and breeze.
I just spoke to some of the locals just to see if they knew what kind of service it is further down the road. I reckon it's not too bad or similar to what this is, but they're driving a four-wheel drive. They probably don't really know, but yeah, they're on the property down the road here. Pretty cool. And I've got a funny feeling that the older lady was actually, from memory, that car was very similar to the one I saw last time. Actually, maybe, I don't know if I still have the footage, but maybe I can see the number plate. I'll just try and follow the road and see what happens. I don't think I really need navigation for that. Plus, there's probably going to be some sort of signs there. Let's make our way back. Hopefully you guys get to see how bumpy it is and how some parts are, you know, a little bit sandy. Thanks to YouTube, I had someone contact me the other day just commenting on what kind of load I carry when I go camping, which as you might know is rather large because everything I do is on budget. He works in an outdoor store and he said, oh look, if you ever need any advice, let me know, or if you're looking into getting a certain product, and so I can give you some pointers. And so I was actually looking at a winter sleeping bag because, as you might know as well, is that I've had problems sleeping at night, tend to be too cold. And so I contacted him, ended up having a spare sleeping bag that he doesn't really use. And so I ended up buying that off him for very cheap, which means hopefully soon I'll be able to go out again and go camping somewhere. I'd love to actually go camp here somewhere. That would be awesome. I think they're deciding how to get through. You right? Yeah, so the next thing I might need is some better insulation, which his name is Paul from memory. He might be able to help me out with that. Because one, I need insulation, so I need some sort of mat. Might also be nice to have a self-inflating airbed of some sort, so then I can have the two-in-one, which means it will take less space. He also showed me a couple of products. One of them was the Helinox chair, which I have seen before, but I've never seen in person. That thing is awesome. It packs up so small and it's so comfortable, but it's definitely not cheap. But you know, it's one of those things, it's all on my list. Hopefully one day I can buy these things, but for now I do everything on budget. Lots of things from Kmart and the likes. I might have to do a little video about all my things that I've bought just to get you going, you know, because the main thing is you got to get out there, and sometimes geek can get away with these things, just like filming videos. Like, it's always nice to have better equipment, but the main thing you got to do is actually go out and film stuff, and that's what I'm trying to do now. Let's focus on the road and see what it's all like. They told me this road goes on the plateau all the way along. It's not as steep as the other way as I came in, so we'll see what it's like, eh?
On the hills.
Ooh. Holy shit. It's sandy, alright. It's hard to see with the sun in the shade. You can't always see what the surface looks like. So you think it might be packed, but then it turns out to be sandy. All part of the experience, the challenge, excitement. That's funny. This is definitely dropping. And definitely not a little bit either. Holy moly. They obviously don't really recall, because they live down there, there's no reason for them to come this way. Beautiful area. but yeah, it does go up and down a bit. Probably won't make any stops anymore, just to make sure I get back on a normal road before the sun goes down. Okay, now it's gonna go up again with the same steepness as I went down. Bloody hell. Well, let's give it a crack. Almost made it, then held on too tight, and down I went. Holy crap. Whew. Looks like the bark busters have done their job. I guess this is the fun part where I'm gonna have to pick it up again. Should I get the camera out? Probably. Actually, grab the GoPro. Alright, I'll have one more go. This is probably 1/3 of the way to get down to a somewhat main road. I think I should try. I'm kind of lost my confidence here, but going back I'm gonna have the same problem. It's still gonna be tricky. So let's try do a little bit more, eh? Yeah. Yeah, I just picked it up. Yeah, I think so. I think I'm gonna have to replace that brake. My rear brake is, the lever is bent.
Oh, really? When you fell?
Yeah, it's a bit up high now, like it's going to be a bit hard to control.
Yeah, you need your rear brake.
Yeah.
Does it still work?
It does. Well,
right,
I didn't try just then, but it was coming out this way, so I already pushed it back.
I'd say I'll put a hammer on it, but you might snap it, you don't want to do that.
Yeah, exactly, yeah.
Multi-grips? You can give that a go if you want, it's up to you.
I don't want to snap it.
Yeah, that's true.
I'm worried,
But it's all, you can use it, but
I think so, yeah. I'll probably stand on the one side. I'm on a bit of flat, I'll
go
put
up
some
there
weight on it.
and see if you can get it to work. If it works, just put your hand up and obviously we'll go. Otherwise, if you obviously have tools if you need to.
Yeah, okay.
But yeah, you don't want to snap it, that's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Still,
New scars.
lucky that's there.
That's what I got them for, yeah.
Alright, man. Yeah, just give it a go. If you need help, just
Yeah, thanks, man.
Have a safe trip.
Yeah, cheers.